These bins are a win in my mind. I like the size of them. They stack really simply. Everything snaps together, so you could keep going in height. I have more up there, but they work really well just to organize all the things. They slide really easy. I have not had an issue with these falling apart at all. Clearly I have it like filled up and it's not giving me any difficulty. So I think size is good, value for your money is good.
So these are the bins that I just purchased. I will say that they're, in my opinion, very easy to put together. I have a ton of stuff in them and it still slides with ease. There's a little restriction at the end, but that's probably a good thing, so don't just come out. It comes with these little pieces so that they don't slide on the shelves. I did have to put one in the front so that it didn't like slide off when I open it, because when there's not much in it, actually you can see that it slid back a little bit. See how it slides?
My whole house is from Amazon.
I bought the long one so I can fit like really tall hairspray, and this mousse is really tall too. That everything fits in there. Only thing I didn't like, this one was a little bit wobbly, so I'm not sure why that's going on. But I mean, this one's not that wobbly, so.
Really like this product. Super easy to install, super easy to close, perfect for medicines and little knickknacks, especially for like in the washer dryer room or like makeup. Super quiet, and it took me like 5 minutes to install.
I definitely will be ordering more of these drawers. It came well packaged. I ordered 4, and you can stack them on top just as easy. It was easy to assemble. Did it in less than 2 minutes.
Excelente para debajo del gabinete.